this video we will learn how to adjust the Shavasan. So it's very important for every yoga teacher that must remember the proper way to adjust. The first technique is make the hands palm facing up, relax the feet. So verbal adjustment is very important. The first, if the student take interlock fingers on the stomach, we must tell them, please open your hands, palm facing up, open your legs wider. But if we have already talked many times, but some people's close eye and don't listening you or don't understand, so in that case we have to go nearby the student first and we have to talk to them. Please take a deep inhale, long exhale, and then slowly you can adjust the feet like this, wider. Open your feet, but we just not go straight and open the leg. No, in this case might be student will shock a little bit. Tok chai na. So in that case, please have to speak first. So make the hands and the legs proper alignment. And the most important part when we gonna adjust the student, the most important part is the neck, the head. Sometimes people not have adjust the head. So what we do, we sit comfortable like this in the Virasana. We sit on our heel and like this. After that we catch the neck area, and but before we catch or before we adjust the student, make sure you speak first. You speak some dialogue, or you can just say it. Take a deep inhale, long exhale, just to let the student know that you are here. Okay, that is a one point. So once we are do, so slowly take a deep inhale. The eye is closed, so they will know that we are here, and catch the neck like this area like this, and lift the head up a little bit and move head a little bit left right and head down on the floor. So in some case the student have the rubbered or bind the head hair, tightening up the hairs. So in that case we can adjust a little bit to let them relax. And after head, the palms and the shoulders. Okay, once we are adjust the head already, we go to the shoulders and the hands, and then we go to the legs. So shoulders also, sometime in some cases we just press the down like this, or we lift the shoulders up and then relax. This is a one part. And the second thing is the hands. So palms facing up is already done. And now if we want to adjust the feet and make them spine area relax, in that case what we do, we sit like this in our heels. We use the thumb on middle of the in this area. We use the thumb like this over here, just like we are adjusting the massage a little bit. We pressing the point, this point. So our thumb is here and catch like this. So make sure before we touch any student, we must say something. Take a deep inhale, long exhale, relax our body. This is the fixed dialogue, so you can use it this often, so people will get the more benefit. Okay, once we are here, we can catch the legs like this and lift the legs up a little bit and move the left and right just a little bit. So we have to sit like this. Many times students, they are become a new teacher and they just try to do like this. So if we do in this posture, we might get back pain. So better you make sure you sit comfortable, you make straight your spine, and you give the proper instructions and moving the legs properly. And once we would like to relax them, okay, after that we bring them down, relax. This is the basic technique for adjust the Shavasan. So I hope you understand this video, and if anybody have any question, please feel free to let me know by comment. So we'll see you soon. Namaste. Hari Om Tat Sat.